going to learn how to delete the text. You have sometimes done something wrong or some part of your text you want to remove. So you can remove or delete the text. It could be a single character, it could be a word, it could be a sentence or a paragraph. So just remember these steps which could be followed easily, and certain part of your document could be deleted. So just select the text that you want to delete. And after that, there is a delete key on the keyboard. Simply press on that delete key. Your work is done. And it could also be done by pressing Control Delete. But by pressing Control Delete button, it will only delete one word on the right of the cursor. So your choice, if you want to delete any particular word, just click on Control Delete. And if it is on the right of the cursor. When you want to delete any word on the left of the cursor, you will press Control plus backspace key of the keyboard. Understood? Now, we have another option which is available. It is very important feature of MS Word, that is inserting the text. So inserting a text means the document already exists and you want to put some part inside it. So that part could be done either by turning on the insert mode, or it could be overtype mode. There are two ways of inserting certain part in the document that already exist. So I'll be teaching you what is insert mode first. So just to select the insert mode, right click on the status bar. There is a status bar. You click on the right click and the customize status bar menu will appear. Okay. Then after that, click on overtype option. The insert option appears there on the status bar, which shows that your insertion mode is selected. So children, now to enter the text, just place the pointer on the right of the character where you want to insert the new text. Okay. So then after that, you can start typing the new text, and you can observe the change that is occurring. I'll just show you over here. You could see it's written here on the screen that insert mode is on. Okay. So one is insert, second is overlay. That means inserting means the other alphabets are going to shift towards the right and the text is added there. Okay. I'll just show you, it will be more clear. Because you have insert mode on, that shows that after it's written once there was a fox. Once there was a fox, he searched for some food. So this he searched for some food has shifted towards right, and this one line is added here. That is, he was very hungry. So this is the part which we have inserted. That means the rest part has shifted to the right and this part is added to your document. Why is it added? Because your insert mode is selected. Okay. Now what is overtype mode? Overtype mode is also called overwrite mode. Overwrite mode means the old thing that is written there, it gets removed and the new part is overwritten over the existing document. That's called overtype mode. That means you can replace the existing text by typing the new text on it. So you can also enable the overtype mode in the same way. Just click on the insert option on the status bar, and here you are going to change the existing mode of insert to overtype mode. Okay. So at the bottom you could see now overtype mode is selected. Now just place the cursor before the letter and you start typing. So what will happen? The old alphabet gets deleted and the new alphabet takes its place. Okay. So here you could see once there was a fox. So here the cursor exists and as word this is deleted and it is replaced here. So this is called overtype mode. Fine. Now we come at another important feature of MS Word 2016, that is called moving a text. What do you mean by moving? Moving means selecting a part of the text and giving it a new position somewhere else, up, down, left or right, wherever it is required in the text. That's called moving. So for that, that means we are going to move the text to a new location. So just select the text you want to move and then you could see a cut option. There's a cut button in the file. So you click on the cut button. This is the icon for the cut button, right? And it comes on the clipboard group, which is present in the home tab. Okay. And then there is a shortcut key also, that is Control X. So that part of the text will be cut and then you want to give a new position to that text. That means now you have to position the cursor to a new place where the text has to be placed. Okay, and then you have to click on the paste button. So here you could see this is a paste button, children. This is the paste icon. You could see it here also. So just click on the paste button. So wherever you will see the cursor, that particular text which is cut from the original position will take the new position and that new position will be the position of the cursor. So just see here. Here this particular highlighted part of the text is cut. So what we do, we cut it and we paste it. So it has taken a new place below this line. Understood? Now this is called moving, and another very similar feature we have, but it has different role, that's called copying the text. So copying means the original text which you are selecting remains there, but you are making multiple copies of it. Suppose you have written a paragraph, you want to make 10 paragraphs out of one paragraph. So what you do, just select it once, then you click on copy. Don't click on move here. You don't want to move the place of it. You want to make multiple copies of it, right? So for that you select and you use the copying the text feature. So copy and paste options are used to make the duplicate part of the text that is selected. And this feature helps in reducing our time of typing. Yes? Good. So what to do? We just select the text which you want to copy. And after that, click on the copy button. Again, it is here only. We could see a copy button is there. We click on this copy button on the clipboard, and this could be done by a shortcut key, that is Control plus C. Keep control button pressed. Remember, don't release it when you are pressing alphabet C. So that particular part which is already highlighted will be copied and it will be saved in the temporary memory, and then wherever you want to paste it, you go take the cursor to that particular position where you want the copied text to be copied. Okay, and after that you need to press paste button. So this is the paste button, children. Again, it has a shortcut and the shortcut is Control plus V. Understood? Now, what next? The copied text appear at its new location in the document. Remember the difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. Cut will remove it from the original position and take to a new position. But copy will keep one copy of the document at the original position and make the duplicate copies of it. Right? I could see your smiling eyes. That means you are understanding it. Quickly show me your thumbs up. Good. And now we have two more very interesting commands, that is undo and redo command. Children, Word 2016 keeps the track of all the changes that you make in the document. So sometimes if you do mistake and we want to undo what action you have taken recently, that is already stored in the memory, we can undo it. So the use of undo is to reverse the effect of the last command that is given. And this is the undo button, which is present on the quick access toolbar. Okay, so there is a quick access toolbar. So we use the keyboard shortcut key, that is Control Z. Either press this quick access toolbar to undo or simply press Control Z key, so your action will be undone. Similarly, we have redo button. So redo is the reverse action of undo. Suppose you have done some action and you want to keep doing that action many times. So for that, you have a redo button. So just click on the redo button, or when you go to the quick access toolbar, and there is Control Y as a shortcut key to do redo. So remember, undo, Control Z, redo, Control Y. Okay, they are very, very frequently used buttons. So just keep them in your mind. Okay, now we move ahead, checking of the grammar and spelling. You know, when you type long documents, you are scared there could be some mistake in it. And the document to be presented anywhere should always be error-free. So your Word provides another very interesting feature, which is grammar and spelling check. So this is, Word has inbuilt dictionary, and there are certain set of grammar rules which checks the grammar and the spelling of the text document which is created by you. Now, when you type your document, sometimes it happens that you could see some green wavy lines under the text of the document. And other time, there is red line. Okay, so remember, when there exists a green line, it shows some grammatical mistake. That means that green line could be removed by some changes to be done in the grammar part. And in the same way, if you see red lines, that shows there exists some spelling mistake of that particular word. So now, to check the spelling of any word, what you do, you just right click on the word which has a red wavy line. So like suppose you can see this word is there and there exists a red wavy line. So just bring the cursor here, select the word, then right click, and you could see this drop down menu. And this drop down menu will show different words which could be the replacement for this wrong word written by you. And you immediately analyze, it could be machine, and the spelling of machine is written wrong. So just click on machine, or you want machines, or like any other similar word could be there. Click on that word, it will be replaced by that particular word. So this is important and very useful feature which is provided by Word 2016. So simply you have to do is select the correct spelling from the suggestion list which is given to you, and the rest work is done by your Word 2016. Similarly, when you see the green mark, you can just right click on that particular green area. It will give you different suggestions that what mistake exists and it could be corrected accordingly. Now we move further, that is called the using of thesaurus. So what is thesaurus is, it is a dictionary of words which provides you the synonyms and antonyms of the selected word. Now, suppose you want to improve your vocabulary. So this particular feature is very useful. You select a word and you feel some other replacement word could be written in place of this word. You could follow these steps. So just select the word for which you want to find the synonym and then click on a review tab. Then again select the thesaurus option in the proofing group. Or you can even use a shortcut, that is Shift plus F7. So remember, just click on Shift plus F7 could help you to get the different suggestions. Okay, this has to be remembered. So then what happens? Your thesaurus task pane opens on the right side of the document window, which display all the list of synonyms for the word which you have already selected. So move the mouse pointer simply to the suitable word which you want to replace and then click on the drop down button and select the insert option there. So what will happen? The existing word will be replaced by the new word which you have selected now. Right? Now you have exercise. I hope you have understood the concept very well. Now your turn to do the exercise. You'll be doing it and making changes in the text in the document is called, what do you call it? Making changes. Good. It is editing. So we stick on this editing word. Okay. And the red wavy line below the text. What is the red wavy line for? Good, good, good. That is spelling mistake. There exists some spelling mistake. So you could see the red wavy line there. Now the third one is to select the whole document. The shortcut key used is, what is the shortcut key when you want to select the entire document? Very nice. It is Control plus A. This is the right option. And to select the insert mode, you have right click on the status bar, children. We click on the status bar and you get the insert mode selected. Now, we'll do the fill in the blanks. To select a word, dash on the word. What will you do? To select a word, you will double click on the word. Right here, double click. And to undo the present, undo button is present on the, where is undo button present? It is present on the quick access toolbar. And look here, the next one is dash command is used to reverse the last action. It is reverses to undo the button. Okay, undo the work. So we write here undo. And copy and paste options are available on, where are copy and paste options available? They are available on quick access toolbar. Now after this we have true and false. So in Word 2016 you cannot select a line. Can you select a line, children? Can you select a line? Yes. So the statement is false. And then Control D command is used to paste the, is there any Control D command you have studied for pasting? No? What is the command? Control V. Good. So again this is a false statement. And backspace key is used to delete the text. That is true. We use the backspace key to delete the text from the position of the cursor on the backside. And then Thesaurus is the software tool that provides synonyms for the selected word. Correct. This is true, children. And before editing a text, we should select the text. So when you want to edit any text, of course, it has to be selected, then only that particular part will be edited. This is again true. And now, before we say goodbye, we have a revision for you. So the first important thing is, what is Word 6 2016? Children, Word 2016 is a word processor that helps you to create a document with the professional outlook. And this Word 2016 allows the user to add new text that is already existing in the document, and it could be done in two ways. One is insert mode and another is overtype mode. So when you talk about insert mode, that means it will keep on making the space for the new text to come. And when you talk about overtype mode, so the previous document, the text part will be removed and the new text will be written over there. And then we again talk about Thesaurus once again. Thesaurus is a software tool which exists in Word 2016, and it provides you a feature to find different synonyms of the given word. Right? I hope the concepts are clear. Bye for today. Meet you again.